In this video, we are going to compare the two legends of Indian cricket team. One is Kohli and another one is Sachin. Now, we are going to compare their personal information, test career, ODI career, T20 career, all international career and IPL career. The full name of Kohli is Virat Kohli. The full name of Sachin is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. The date of birth of Kohli is November 5, 1988. The date of birth of Sachin is April 24, 1973. The age of Kohli is 32. The age of Sachin is 47. The height of Kohli is 5.9. The height of Sachin is 5.5. The batting style of Kohli is right-handed batsman. Batting style of Sachin is right-handed batsman. Test career. The test debut of Kohli is in June 20, 2011. The test debut of Sachin is in November 15, 1989. The matches Kohli played in Test is 91. The matches Sachin played in Test is 200. The innings Kohli played in Test is 153. The innings Sachin played in Test is 329. The runs Kohli scored in Test is 7,490. The runs Sachin scored is 15,921. The average of Kohli in Test is 52.38. The average of Sachin is 53.79. The strike rate of Kohli in Test is 57.12. The strike rate of Sachin in Test is 54.08. The highest run Kohli scored in Test is 254. The highest run Sachin scored in Test is 248. The 200 and 100 Kohli hit in Test is 7 by 27. The 200 and 100 Sachin hit in Test is 6 by 51. The 50 Kohli scored is 25. The 50 Sachin scored is 68. The 6 and 4 Kohli hit in Test is 22 by 839. The 6 and 4 Sachin hit in Test is 69 by 2058. The not out of Kohli in Test is 10. The not out of Sachin in Test is 33. The ducks of Kohli got in Test is 12. The ducks Sachin got in Test is 14. The best ICC rank of Kohli in Test is 1. The best ICC rank of Sachin in Test is 1. ODI career. The ODI debut of Kohli is in August 18, 2008. The ODI debut of Sachin is in December 18, 1989. The matches Kohli played in ODI is 251. The matches Sachin played in ODI is 463. The innings Kohli played in ODI is 242. The innings Sachin played in ODI is 452. The runs Kohli scored in ODI is 12,040. The runs Sachin scored in ODI is 18,426. The average of Kohli in ODI is 59.31. The average of Sachin in ODI is 44.83. The strike rate of Kohli in ODI is 93.25. The strike rate of Sachin in ODI is 86.24. The highest run Kohli scored in ODI is 183. The highest run Sachin scored in ODI is 200. The 200 and 100 Kohli scored in ODI is 0 by 43. The 200 and 100 Sachin scored in ODI is 1 by 49. The 50 Kohli scored in ODI is 60. The 50 Sachin scored in ODI is 96. The 6 and 4 Kohli hit in ODI is 125 by 1130. The 6 and 4 Sachin hit is 195 by 2016. The not outs Kohli in ODI is 32. The not outs of Sachin in ODI is 41. The ducks Kohli got in ODI is 13. The ducks Sachin got in ODI is 20. The best ICC rank of Kohli in ODI is 1. The best ICC rank of Sachin in ODI is 1. T20 career. The T20 debut of Kohli is in June 12, 2010. The T20 debut of Sachin is in December 1, 2006. The matches Kohli played in T20 is 86. The matches Sachin played in T20 is 1. The innings Kohli played in T20 is 81. The innings Sachin played in T20 is 1. The runs Kohli scored in T20 is 3001. The runs Sachin scored in T20 is 10. The average of Kohli in T20 is 50.86. The average of Sachin in T20 is 10. The strike rate of Kohli in T20 is 138.36. The strike rate of Sachin in T20 is 83.33. The highest run Kohli scored in T20 is 94. The highest run Sachin scored in T20 is 10. The 200 and 100 Kohli scored in T20 is 0/0. The 200 and 100 Sachin scored in T20 is 0/0. The 50 of Kohli is 26. The 50 of Sachin is 0. The 6 and 4 Kohli hit in T20 is 84/270. The 6 and 4 Sachin hit is 0/2. The not out of Kohli in T20 is 22. The not out of Sachin in T20 is 0. The ducks of Kohli in T20 is 3. The ducks Sachin scored in T20 is 0. The best ICC rank of Kohli in T20 is 1. The best ICC rank of Sachin in T20 is 63. Test plus ODI plus T20 all international career. The international debut of Kohli is April 18, 2008. The international debut of Sachin is November 15, 1989. The matches Kohli played is 428. The matches Sachin played is 664. The innings Kohli played in international is 476. The innings Sachin played is 782. The runs Kohli scored is 22,531. The runs Sachin scored is 34,357. The average of Kohli is 54.18. The average of Sachin is 36.2. The strike rate of Kohli is 96.24. The strike rate of Sachin is 74.55. The highest run Kohli scored is 254. The highest run Sachin scored is 248. The 200 and 100 Kohli scored is 7/70. The 200 and 100 Sachin scored is 7/100. The 50 Kohli scored is 111. The 50 Sachin scored is 164. The 6 and 4 Kohli it is 231/2239. The 6 and 4 Sachin it is 264/4076. The not out of Kohli is 71. The not out of Sachin is 74. The ducks Kohli scored is 28. The ducks Sachin scored is 34. The best ICC rank of Kohli is 1. The best ICC rank of Sachin is 1. IPL career. The IPL debut of Kohli is in April 18, 2008. The IPL debut of Sachin is in May 14, 2008. The matches Kohli played in IPL is 192. The matches Sachin played in IPL is 78. The innings Kohli played in IPL is 184. The innings Sachin played in IPL is 78. The runs Kohli scored in IPL is 5,878. The runs Sachin scored in IPL is 2,334. The average of Kohli is in IPL is 38.17. The average of Sachin in IPL is 33.83. The strike rate of Kohli in IPL is 130.74. The strike rate of Sachin in IPL is 119.82. The highest of Kohli in IPL is 113. The highest of Sachin in IPL is 100. 200 and 100 Kohli scored in IPL is 0/5. The 200 and 100 Sachin scored in IPL is 0/1. The 50 Kohli scored in IPL is 39. The 50 Sachin scored in IPL is 13. The 6 and 4 Kohli hit in IPL is 201/503. The Sachin 6 and 4 hit in IPL is 29/295. The not out of Kohli in IPL is 30. The not out of Sachin in IPL is 9. The ducks Kohli scored in IPL is 6. The ducks Sachin scored in IPL is 4. The best ICC rank of Kohli is 1. The best ICC rank of Sachin is 1. Come on to your favorite comparison.